Good morning. We are starting off this vlog with a pedicure. But good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if the lighting's a little weird. We are headed to Waldorf. I need to get my toes done. And I also need a shoot. I need to get my eyebrows done. Let me see if that lady's gonna be there. Okay guys, I gotta go. I love you. Oh my gosh. Eyes watering. Hi. Can I get a pedicure? Yeah. Pedicure. Yeah. Hi sugars, how are you? I am just gonna officially and do a warm welcome. Welcome back to this week's vlog. As you guys saw, Wayne got a pedicure earlier because she was very well needed, like past the due date, babes. I also got my eyebrows done. I'm home now. It is 3 o'clock, literally on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the street. If I sound like I don't got a voice, it's because the voice tried to leave. But if you guys saw in the last vlog when I went out with Julia, literally when I got home my voice was like, it was one crack and then it just went away. But Kai's here. Obviously, of course. But I am about to wash my bundles. By the way, my name's Kaylah, Arnae. If you're new here, I freaking love you. Welcome to the family. Make sure you subscribe. We are almost at 10K. Let's get to 10K. Let's like this video and let's just like live life and be excited. But I'm excited because this week we're going to be planning and prepping and packing for my girls trip this weekend. Actually starting Friday, so only got a few days. We'll see if this vlog gets out before then, who knows. If not, it's okay. Some exciting things that I'm gonna be picking up before the trip. Can't wait to get into it. I'm just like gonna wait just until it's time. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm about to wash. I'm getting a weave on Wednesday, so today's Monday, January 20th, Martin Luther King Day. Happy birthday. I'm getting a weave and I need to wash the bundles just so they can air dry, but I'm gonna co-wash, so I'm just gonna use conditioner just to make sure they're like nice and conditioned and all that stuff. But yeah, so I'm excited. Tomorrow I'm gonna get it washed and blow dried. That way it's all nice and clean and fresh for the weave and stuff. Okay, he wants me to spin this. You say hi to everybody?
Spin, spin. Spin, spin. It was so fast.
Okay. My mom twisted his hair.
Oh. Wow.
Okay, mommy is about to do something, so one more spin, okay?
Slow down. Slow down.
Okay. Mommy has to. I have to do something.
Slow.
Woo!
Whoa.
It's so cute. But yeah, I picked up. I got 22, 24, 26. So I'm about to be. If you guys are like, you've been here, or if you just know me, then you know that like there was a period where like I just literally just wore weaves just because like my hair just does best. I'm pretty sure everyone's hair does best, like when you just don't touch it. And so just like what is happening? I am on the, so my hair, get yourself together, KK. Get yourself together, boo. I'm on the road to growing out my hair long and healthy. You guys know all the trauma it's been through, from the postpartum hair loss through the iron deficiency, all things. So it's the density, y'all, it is so thick. My hair is literally so thick. Like these roots, babes, like it's just so thick. But like the ends of it have like the ones that have been here through like all the trauma, they're currently growing out. So like the new growth, the good hair is like pushing out the old. So basically I need to just like trim off like a nice hefty healthy trim to like get all the dead hair off. That way it can just grow even and like long and stuff. So I need a nice like healthy trim just so it can, but then I'm gonna just have it like braid it down because I'm gonna have my weaves and stuff. So in between installs, you know, wash and do all the things, treat it well, and then yeah. So I'm about to wash these and all the things. And then after that I'm gonna walk because I haven't walked today and I forgot my Apple Watch earlier, so like the steps ain't get counted, but it's okay because we're gonna still show up and complete the goal of 15K. But yeah, so I need to make sure I keep these like, I guess I should be able to tell like the length when I take them out or whatever, you know, 3 different lengths. But I'm excited. It's always fun getting your hair done. But yeah, welcome back to another vlog. I love you guys. You guys saw in the last vlog I got a new suitcase, the carry-on 21-inch by Baze. Yeah, all is well. I love you and I hope you have the best week ever. And yeah, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and TikTok. Thank God for TikTok. We love TikTok, okay? The girlies was going crazy. We were going nuts, but it's okay. She's back and I'm happy. So make sure you guys check out the links below to find me on them, on those. But I love you so much and I'll see you in a second. Good morning, guys. Let me turn this down some. I am outside of my appointment. Getting my hair done today. I'm getting my weave, my bust down. Really excited. I've never been to her. Quan's mom actually sees her, so that's how I heard about her. And yeah, so I'm gonna ask her if I can like vlog a little bit or get a little clip here and there. We'll see. We'll check the vibe. But you know when it's like when you're new. And I'm here like 10 minutes before my appointment, but I texted her. I was like, hi, I'm outside. I'll be in my car until you tell me I can come in. You know, it's just like, what do I say? But yeah, so I was actually at Quan's, chilling with Quan's mom and Kai, because Quan's mom is watching Kai. This morning, it's Wednesday, January 22nd. My appointment was originally at 8, so like I had to get up early, and me and Kai left out by like 6:45 because I had to drop him off and drive. Anyways, but she texted me on the way and was just saying like, can you come at 9 instead of 8? And I was like, okay. So I was with Quan's mom. We were just chilling for like an hour or so. Now I'm here, and I still wanted to be on time. So, you know, I'm really like working on my punctuality and my time management. But here we are. I have on earrings, so this is kind of like hurting my ear. But I just have my hair in a claw clip. You know the vibes. And we're home. Just like that.
No.
Yes.
Very, very heavy.
Say hi. Say hi. Say
Hi.
How are you guys? My sweetie pies. We are home. Y'all, when I tell you, first and foremost, this is one of my, if not my best, like, install. Like, I love it. I told her, I said, oh, you'll be seeing me often, babes. But, no, I love it so much. Like, I'm not kidding. My hair was braided with the full, all 3 bundles sewn in 1 hour. She started at 9:18. When she was done with the sewing, after she put it in, it said 10:19. I said, oh, babes, we love that. And then she curled it. She did add some like light layers to it. I'm gonna show you in the mirror. I love it. I'm excited. We love a protective style, and I was like, I'm just gonna do a weave. Like, I love a weave. I love a weave. I thrive with the weave, and we love that. I'm gonna show you in the mirror. I need to clean the mirror, but I love my waist trainer. But here it is. Let's see. Give you a cute little look.
and learn about other dinosaurs.
Pretty long. I got 22, 24, 26. So that's what I got. And I'm short, and I saw on TikTok because I was debating on if I should do like 28 or something, and someone on TikTok was like she gets bundles of like 22 and it's still really long because she's short. And so I was like, oh, well then there you go. So, and I like long hair. This is probably the longest I've ever had it. I feel like, I don't know, this is good hair too. This is raw Indian, but if you are local, then message me on Instagram if you want to know the hair deets, like where to go and stuff. I just don't want to put their business out there, and they, you know what I mean? Like if you're local and you're looking to get some hair and get your hair done, message me and I got you. Kai, don't put that in your mouth, right? Okay. But yeah, we're here, and I need to wash my makeup brushes, but I'm gonna wait till Kwan gets home because I'm not gonna be able to do that right now. I need to see if he needs to go down for NAP. He's so tired. We got up so early. I need to get my baby down, and I need to walk because I haven't, obviously. I'm gonna see where I'm at as far as steps. Got about 12K to go, which we can do that. I just need to really get this hair up and like figure out how I'm going to preserve it for like my workouts and stuff. But yeah, so let's do that. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. It is Thursday. I'm rushing. Not really. Thursday, January 23rd. I am so excited. First and foremost, it's late in the day. It's literally 5:30 in the afternoon. I've been packing all day, prepping and everything because I go on my trip tomorrow. But guys, I'll go into more in depth and like detail like in another moment, but I really gotta go. But I'm gonna go pick up my new camera. I'm getting the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. So excited, and it's just in time for the trip. So I really want to vlog on the trip. So I'm gonna come home, play with it and all that stuff. And oh my gosh, I'm just so happy, so blessed, so grateful, so freaking excited, so excited. I'm gonna stop by TJ Maxx because I actually want to get like matching pajamas for me and Arissa. And then I need to go by Target. I did a pickup order, it's already ready, so I just have to swing by and pick it up. Let's go get my camera. So excited. Okay, we're here. Let's find it. There's signs. Don't know where I'm going. Excuse me. I'm looking for the DJI. Okay.
Like a drone section with the DJI stuff.
Okay, thank you. So, let's go to the cameras. I was looking for the cameras, but I didn't see a sign for cameras. But let's go. I'm so excited. Video components. Is that? Here we go. Cameras. Where you at, boo? He says by the drone stuff. Okay, I see the DJI, but I don't want a drone. Here's the Osmo. I'm on a hunt. I have an older MacBook, so I needed this, like, I'm getting this adapter, that way I can like use the USB and I can just put the SD card into the drive, because it's a I have to use a micro SD card. I don't know, but I'm getting this too. And he's gonna go get the key or whatever to get the camera. So exciting. I feel like I'm just following him. Oh, I'm sorry. Got it. Yay!
Honestly, this is a sick little package.
I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. And I'm going on a trip tomorrow, so I'm like, perfect time. I'm actually taking a train to, well, fun. And guess what? I met her from YouTube, and now we're like best friends.
Did you have an account of Best Buy already?
I think so. And can I get a video of this? Yeah. Sorry, thank you.
You want to protect the DJI kit for 2 years? Drop kick it.
Right. Okay.
Accept on there?
guys know I'm packing and getting ready for my trip. So I'm going to show you my beautiful tripod that I have from Craft Geek. KG, and it's so funny because that's my initials. This is a Just Tap tripod. So all you do is just tap it on the ground and it pops out. How cute is that? I'm so excited. Whenever I travel, like I literally, this is what well, even all the time, like I always have a tripod in my purse. So I have a tripod here at home that stays here. Then I have this to stay in my purse just for wherever, like if I'm just not home obviously and I just want to get some content on my phone. I just prop my phone on there and I'm obsessed. You can check the description box for a Amazon promotion code and any coupons and all that. It'll be in the description box. I'm so excited to Craft Geek for sharing this with me. It also has a remote. So cute. I'm obsessed because it literally has my initials. And you can just pair this to your phone and it has a little spot on the tripod to keep the remote secure. So I'm gonna be taking this on my trip. I'm all packed and I'm actually about to unbox my new camera that you guys just saw. I got back from Best Buy and I'm about to unbox it and do a TikTok and I'm gonna use my tripod. So thank you Craft Geek for sending me this. So excited to share with you guys. Everyone needs a tripod. Like, what you doing, Bo? And as a content creator, like a tripod is so ideal, and the fact that it's just so easy and simple and convenient to just like get out and to prop up, no tugging and all that stuff. Very simple, and it's also very simple to close, so just push it in. So excited for my tripod, and this fits my purse. If you're a mom, you most likely have like a mom tote, so this is just so easy to throw in, so love her.